Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have SENNHEISER Momentum TWS 4 and I'm going to show you how to pair them with your Windows PC. At first you have to open your Windows settings and then go to Bluetooth and devices. Here you have to click Add Device and Bluetooth. In the same moment you have to open your case LED, remove your headphones and go into pairing mode by just holding your fingers on this touch panel over here. As you can see, Momentum TW4. You have to click on it, and that's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.